Law in this order, Mignogna's counsel files Rescinds affidavits in 3 days. Judge denies Mignogna counsel's motion to strike affidavits. Defense calls for sanctions against Beard. The Labor Day weekend feelings for voice actor Mignogna's ongoing civil court case against his former colleagues, Monica Real and Joey Markey. Real's fiancé Ro Toye and Funimation had more twists than a David Lynch film. Following July's early filings by the defense, Mignogna's legal counsel Beard was on the deadline to file his response by August 31st, as previously agreed by both parties. Beard misses his deadline by a matter of minutes when it was filed, but will feed into a new round of rumors and speculation about the Tyler working on Funimation, at least until Monday, when Beard follows up with a notice to withdraw all 3 more notarized affidavits due to defect in form. And the court judge ruled against his motions to strike the defense evidence. The defense responded calling for sanctions and alleged illegal conduct by Beard and co-counsel Jim E. Bullock under suspicion that the affidavits, which were notarized by Beard himself, were falsified. In the state of Texas, a notarized document has to be signed in the presence of the notary. The defense counsel is calling into the question whether Mignogna, Kameha Khan owner Christopher Satosh, and voice actor Chuck Huber actually appeared in front of Beard on August 30 when the documents were notarized. Satosh was allegedly attending the San Japan convention at that time. According to the photo with the timestamp on Instagram, located in San Antonio and approximately 5 hours away from Beard's office in Tyler, Texas. Additionally, Beard files a motion for the court to accept the late filing, citing technical issues as a cause. The filing itself was 27 minutes past deadline. However, the attached notification of submission error shows that Beard's partner Jim Bullock did not attempt to upload the files to the court system until 12:15 a.m. on September 1st. Beard followed with the second amendment petition on September 2 that included the previous affidavits. However, they were no longer notarized like those included in an original filing. Both of the plaintiff's petitions alleged that Funimation Productions LLC was famed, amorous, and sexually charged for years, and cited pending stock with Gardebelt, an anime starring both Riella Markey and Prison School as example of the company's products. It's unclear what, if any, very a sexual charge atmosphere at Funimation will play into the validity of the mounting accusations levied against Mignogna by multiple former Funimation staff members that spoke with Anime News Network denied the characterization set forth in the amended petition. Chuck Huber's affidavit included these accusations about the Funimation's work environment and made multiple starting accusations involving Dragon Ball Z voice actor and Ocotron 5000 dubbing studio owner Christopher Sabat. Huber alleged that Sabat is not a defendant in the lawsuit, spoke poorly of Mignogna, referred to him as a pedophile as far back as 2003 or 2004, and criticized Mignogna for his actions in infidelity, Christian beliefs, political opinions, and behavior at work. Huber also alleged that failure to maintain a positive relationship with Sabat could lead to fewer roles for a voice actor, and the employees treated Sabat as a de facto manager. Most elaborating on Huber's allegations and roles in Funimation could be dependent on the voice actress's willingness to perform sexual favors. Huber does not outright state that he believes Sabat engaged in such behavior in his statement, nor does he provide any evidence to support his claims. Instead, the document includes the claim followed by a series of the statements regarding Huber's beliefs and Sabat's input in the casting decisions, including Dragon Ball Z. When the Dragon Ball Kai was being recorded in 2007, I heard rumors that actresses had been recast of Funimation for refusing sexual advances by Funimation employees. I consider these rumors credible based on my experience working on Funimation and from direct messages received from the former DBC cast member. I also heard actresses who participated in sex with Funimation Ocotron 5000 employees were cast in roles. I consider these rumors credible based on my experience working on Funimation. Chris Sabat is the owner of Ocotron 5000. It is a voice actor of Funimation. Chris Sabat did most of the casting and recording for the Dragon Ball Z properties, including for the movie Dragon Ball Z Super Broly. Chris Sabat engaged in negotiations, either directly or drunk Funimation for various projects with Toei, owner of the Dragon Ball Z properties. Sabat provided Anime News Network with the following statement regarding Huber's allegations. The rest of the allegations of sexual misconduct at Funimation and Ocotron 5000 are deeply disturbing and completely without merit. These libelous statements are based on groundless rumors and are meant to defame me and my company. Never in my career spanning 2 decades did I ever witness or participate in such conduct. See you in the back in part 2.